Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have brought this pretty pattern for you. You can use this pattern in ladies cardigans, gents sweaters, baby blankets, caps, shawls. From front side, this pattern looks like this. And from back side, it looks like this. We need to cast on multiple of 6 stitches and plus 2 stitches for border, and this is only 4 rows repeat pattern. So let us start friends. For demonstration I have taken 14 stitches. Let us start our first row. From right side slip 1 stitch and then purl 3 stitches, 2 and 3. Now yarn over, keep yarn in front and then knit 3 stitches together. Yarn over, knit 3 stitches together and again yarn over. Next stitch is purl, so yarn over from front side and then purl 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. Again yarn over and knit 3 stitches together. And then yarn over from front side and then purl edge stitch. Here we have completed our first row. Total 14 stitches. Now row 2. This is our second row. Slip first stitch and then yarn in front and purl 3 stitches. First stitch on yarn over, second purl stitch and third purl stitch on yarn over. Now knit 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3. Again purl 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. Now next knit 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3 and purl edge stitch. We have completed our second row. Now let us start our third row. For third row slip first stitch and then yarn over, bring yarn in front and then knit 3 stitches together. Next, yarn over from front side and then purl 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3. This is our first repeat pattern. Again knit 3 stitches together. Before that yarn over and then knit 3 stitches together. Now again yarn over from front side and then purl 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3 and purl edge stitch. This is our third row. Now last row of the pattern, fourth row. Slip first stitch and then knit 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3. Then purl 3 stitches. First on yarn over, second purl and third on yarn over. Here we have completed our first repeat pattern. Again second repeat, 3 knit stitches and then purl 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3 and purl last stitch. Here we have completed our last row. Repeat these 4 rows until you reach your desired length. After few repeats, our pattern will look like this. If you like my video, then please hit that thumbs up icon and share it. And if you are watching my video for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified of my upcoming videos. So friends, bye till then. Bye bye.